All right, we're going to take you through all of the pass-off exercises that you could possibly be on for right now. I might do another video if some of you make it pretty far. And this is not instrument specific, so we're going to be focusing on the pitch and the rhythm, counting the rhythm, singing the pitch that's on there. Okay, so you'll have to translate this to how physically to hold your embouchure and what fingerings or slide positions to use on your instrument. And also, this one's not going to focus on the snare drum rhythms. I'll do a separate video for that. This one's going to be all the rhythms and pitch for the mallet percussion, the bells, as well as all the wind instruments. All right, so let's get started. I've got my teacher's book right here on my music stand, just off to this side of the camera, and we're going to go ahead and count through, starting with number 13. So here's number 13, just counting the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, singing it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, sol. Mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, do. And so sing that ahead of time, and even sing that in your head while you play is so helpful. That's just really important, is to predict in your mind what you think it's going to sound like, and then compare that with what actually comes out the instrument. And in doing so, you'll learn. It's basically the scientific method, right? You have a hypothesis of what it should sound like. Does it sound like that? If not, you need to adjust something to make that happen. So it's one of the best ways to learn. All right, let's move on to exercise number 19 is the next essential elements quiz. All right, this one you had to write in the notes. Remember on this one that I give you some art advice to draw the note as a sort of slanted line, and then fatten up that line, and you'd get a better looking note head, and one that's closer to what they print in the book. All right, let's go ahead and count and finger through this one. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now that we know when each of the notes happens, let's sing the correct pitch. This one starts on fa. Fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa. Sorry about that little pause. I wanted to move my hands so you could see my hand sign a little bit better. All right, let's move on to the next exercise, number 26. This one, rhythm is one of the biggest challenges in this piece for sure. Not only do you have to put the bar lines in at the right spots, but just the notes and the rests just make it kind of challenging. So let's go ahead and count and finger through this one. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. All right, let's sing it in that rhythm. Ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do. All right, let's move on. Number 32 is the next one, and most people find this one to be pretty easy compared to number 26. So it's kind of a little bit easier one after the challenge of 26. It has a new high note, but besides that, there's not a lot of challenge here. So let's count through this one. Pretty easy rhythms. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This one starts on so and goes up to a new note, la, which is one that we learned back in exercise 26. Okay, so here we go. Sol, la, sol, fa, sol, 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 mi, do, re, mi, fa. All right. Keep moving on. All right. Keep moving on. Next pass off after that one, I believe, is number 45. And this one is going to use some eighth notes, pickup notes, and also has some dynamics, which I'll try to sing the dynamics. Probably do a better job modeling that on my trumpet, but I'll try to sing those for you. Starts out mezzo forte and then ends forte. So here we go. Well, let's count the rhythm first, right? I'll try to count dynamically too. 1, 2, 3. Forte, 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 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, forte, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and sing through it. Do, 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 fa, sol, la, do, 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 fa, la, la, sol, mi, do, 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 fa, sol, la, do, 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 fa, la, fa. All right, so that's how the pitch goes. Be careful of the pitch change in the third full measure, how it jumps up, whereas in measure 1 it stays in that same low note the whole time. Okay? All right. As we move forward, you know what? I think I'm going to do a separate video so people don't have to scroll quite so long through this video. So I'll do a separate video for the ones after 45.